Anxiety is just energy that needs direction, you know? Otherwise it feels horrible to keep it all inside you. You have to place it somewhere, and that makes you feel better. So let's turn that anxious charge into calm clarity. Let's begin in a seated forward fold. So stretch your legs out in front of you, move the meat, flex the feet, inhale your arms up, and just start to exhale, fold. If your knees are bending, let them. That's what makes this feel good. We keep our back straight when we bend our knees. Otherwise, you might look like this, and that's not really doing much for your hamstrings or your lower back. So bend your knees, drop your head. Inhale, come up a little bit like that. Exhale, fold. Already feeling better just because of the breath work. That's what I love about yoga. Just breathing resets everything. One more. Good, come back up. Cross your ankles, roll forward. Tabletop position. Turn your fingers to face your knees for a moment and just open up the carpal space. Leaning back if that feels good. Woo, that is intense. Feels good. Okay, turning your fingers forward. You've got your wrists under your shoulders, your knees are under your hips. Let's just move through some cat-cow and open up the spinal energy. So inhale, drop your belly, lift your tailbone and your chin. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, tailbone tucks. And now just keep moving, following your own breath. Inhales, drop the belly. Exhales, round the spine. Coming to a neutral spine, walk your hands forward a little bit. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, come up to a downward facing dog, and just take a moment here, pedal it out. Good, roll forward into a king cobra. Drop your hips, keep your arms nice and straight. Lift your chest and sort of just press your hips down into the mat a little bit. Good, back to downward face. Walk your hands backwards towards your feet, hanging in a forward fold for just a moment. Big breath here. Good, now inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, walk your hands out to a high plank. We're just gonna do some plank walks. This is how we get rid of that anxious charge. Hold here for a breath. Back to your feet. Inhale up. And exhale, walk it out. All the way to a high plank. Hold here, one big breath. And we'll just keep going like that. A couple more times. Inhale up. Exhale, walk it out. When we say give your anxious energy a direction to go, this is what we mean. Walk it back. Inhale up. Exhale, one more. Here we go. Big breath. And now just lift your hips into a downward facing dog. Look forward, walk your feet forward, sit down on your bottom. We'll finish in a seated forward fold. So move the meat, flex the feet, inhale your arms up, exhale, fold. Just take a few big breaths here and notice every exhale, you create more peace in your body, more clarity in your mind. You are the one training your nervous system to feel relaxed and good and in control and powerful. Relax and enjoy. Peace isn't found, it's created. You just showed your nervous system what calm feels like, so now it knows. Now carry that stillness with you into everything you do today.